Alright, okay, this is my basement. This is Aotsu from Infinite Anime Room. Don't get any creepy ideas just because seeing my basement. Yes, this is not fake. I actually have this jumbled Rubik's Cube, see? Oh, all totally jumbled. Alright, let's start. So awesome. Oh no. Where did it go? Alright.
For that room.
Yeah. Alright, I'm pretty close. Ooh, getting closer there. Alright, ta-da! I don't know exactly how long that was, but my actual record's a little under 50 seconds, so yeah, now you believe